Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connection state. Make sure the headphones have at least 20% battery and the phone's Bluetooth is turned off or out of range. Once done, power the unit off fully. You'll need to identify the power and multi-function buttons. Then, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force a basic power cycle. This clears transient faults. If nothing changes, keep the headphones off while you prepare for the deeper factory reset steps next. You now perform the factory reset specific to many Bose models. Press and hold the power button together with the volume down button, or on some models, power plus the Bluetooth button for 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure to watch the LED behavior and listen for a voice prompt. Alternating flashes or a spoken reset confirm the command registered. Once the indicators change, release the buttons and allow the headphones to fully reboot. After that, make sure to remove the old pairing from your device and pair from scratch. Finish by pairing the headphones as a new device. Delete any previous Bluetooth entries on your phone or laptop, then complete the fresh pairing. If problems persist, make sure the Bose app is up to date and check for firmware updates. Also test with a wired connection to isolate Bluetooth from hardware faults. If you still face issues, contact Bose support or arrange a repair. Have the serial number and purchase date ready. One key tip: try the reset again after a full battery recharge because low power can block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.